What happens when the future of air warfare goes unmanned? China is developing advanced drones that look straight out of science fiction. Today, we're comparing China's Jiutian drone and China's CH-7 stealth drone to very different machines built for two very different roles. First, the Jiutian, often described as a drone mothership. Jiutian is designed to fly long distances at high altitude while carrying multiple smaller drones or mission payloads. Its key strength isn't stealth, it's flexibility. Jiutian can act as a command hub in the sky, supporting surveillance, electronic missions, or coordinated drone operations. Think of it as a flying platform that controls the battlefield from above rather than sneaking through it. Now compare that to the CH-7. The CH-7 is a stealth-focused flying wing drone designed to avoid radar detection. Its smooth, sharp-edged shape and internal payload design emphasize low visibility and penetration into defended airspace. Unlike Jiutian's support roles, CH-7 is built to operate deep and quietly, relying on stealth instead of size or numbers. So, what's the real difference? Jiutian is about control, coordination, and endurance. CH-7 is about stealth, precision, and survivability. One manages the sky, the other slips through it. Different designs, different missions, same future. Which drone do you think represents the next big leap in aerial warfare?